How to set up Instagram Shop step by step. To set up Instagram Shop, first of all, you have to make sure that your account is a professional account. So once you ensure this, launch the application itself. Then make sure to connect to your Facebook business page. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap on the accounts and center at the top. From here, proceed to link your professional Instagram account to your official Facebook business page and also ensure both accounts belong to the same Meta business portfolio. Now, all you have to do is log in on a computer to Meta Commerce Manager. Then click Get Started and select the Create a Shop option. Connect your existing e commerce partner platforms like Shopify or create a new product catalog manually. Now, add your shipping profiles, customer service email, and payout bank details. Now you simply have to submit your shop details and agree to the seller items. Then click the finish setup to submit your shop's meta review. Once approved, start tagging products in your regular posts, stories, and reels. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.